Starting off with the industrial index on the week down 1.66%. We saw some notable decreases from stocks like Econet and Inscore. We had Inscore's CEO resigning in last week's trading session. Could the resigning of the CEO have had any impact on the stock?
Well, not really. Looking at Inscore, we'll notice that it's come off about 1.14% in the last week. That's mainly due to lack of shares on the market. It's been trading in that narrow band of 68 to 70. Having Tom Brown resign did have a slight impact. If you notice on Tuesday, we had a bit of a dip there. But we had John Comedius come in, someone who's been at the helm of the company before. He had to resign earlier because he had a bit of a medical issue, but then he's now back. We have great confidence in him, so that's not really too much of an issue. In terms of Econet, we believe that the company buyback by the main company itself has eased a bit, so that's kind of led it to drop down about 1.02% so far this week. But then turning to Delta, which is our other big counter there, traded quite flat. This is quite interesting since they have declared a dividend of 1.17 cents, so it's currently trading cum div, and LDR is next week Friday. So it's quite interesting how that price has come off. Would have expected that to increase quite a bit. Maybe we'll see that gain come next week sometime.
So we'll watch that stock closely in next week's trading session. And within the mining index, down 2.39% in this week's trading session, but we saw some positivity coming through on that front in today's trading session. So we saw Rio Zimbabwe falling back by 8.3% in today's trading session alone. Any fundamental changes there?
No, I think it's just an issue of it had rallied quite a bit. They've still got ongoing issues, recapitalization, indigenization probes that they're having at the moment. So it's come down quite a bit, 51 cents, down from 60 cents there. But on the other side, we've had some fairly good news. Falk Gold has raised about $2 million through its parent company, New Dawn Mining. So 2 million Canadian dollars, which is more or less the same as the US dollars. And that's good for them going forward. This is also another interesting one where there could be some potential because it's 20%, showing a 20% discount to its share swap value of Falk Gold shares into New Dawn shares. This is mainly because one condition precedent for the indigenization to be approved is still outstanding. But once that happens, we believe it will definitely go through. So another one to watch there going forward.